And let's take a moment to learn a new species of trees to this channel. Spent a lot of my time in the Ohio Valley, but the northern half of the Ohio Valley. And this particular tree is common south of the Ohio River and in some areas north of the Ohio River, but it pretty much stops within 50 miles of the Ohio River, north of the river. This is a sweet gum tree. Common in areas where it is, south of the Ohio River. It's common in floodplains. It's common on hillsides that have been kind of wasted away from road construction. You'll find it growing on road cuts. You'll find it growing in old strip mines. It's a very easy tree to survive. It will survive just about anywhere. And I have found one that the top has broke off so I can see the leaves while they're still green. And this must have just broke a few days ago because the leaves have not wilted. And the leaf of a sweet gum is a unique shape. It is star-shaped. It almost resembles a maple, but really these are pointed. And it is star-shaped. I've got one right over here. Star-shaped leaves. Maple leaves have a lot more rounded notches and just don't quite have the same appearance as a sweet gum leaf. And I'm looking closer now. There is a serrated edge around this. They get a beautiful color in the fall. They'll turn gold. They'll turn crimson. They'll turn maroon. And they're easy to grow in your yard. They're a common landscape plant. So I'll do more with the bark when the opportunity arises, and with the fruits when the opportunity arises.